worked 2 jobs to keep a roof up over our heads. You chose a life for me, no, you never gave up. I admire you for the strength you instilled in me. You were so young, you were just my age when you had me, Mom. You were so brave. There was nothing gonna stop or get in our way, and I know you will always be there for me. So when you're lost